Hi guys, I'm going to teach you how to make slime today. So what you'll need is you're going to need some Elmer's school glue, a bowl, some saline contact solution, a half cup thing for that, and then you're going to need some baking powder. Let me grab that. Sorry. You just need this little thing. And then, whatever color food coloring you want. So let's pour our glue. Let's open this up real fast. Okay, once that's done, you take your baking powder, okay, then you take your stirring utensil, then you mix that in. Mix it in until it's all the way dissolved. Okay? Then you take your food coloring, add in a couple drops. I'm making yellow slime. Look at that. Perfect. Just how I want it. Okay? Now, the camera. Oh, crap. Okay. That's better. Alright, now you're gonna need your contact solution. Alright, you're just gonna need about that much. Alright, now let's start mixing. There we go. It's starting to go. Oh my god. This one's sticky. Okay? And there is your slime. Alright, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.